Look at that. Oh my God. It actually worked. Holy shit. I thought it was going to be here all day. So it seems that my David Bradley chainsaw doesn't have any spark, and the magneto is underneath the flywheel. So that means I have to remove the flywheel. So let's devote a video about trying to get this off. There aren't any like posts to hook on a flywheel puller. Now there are some flywheel pullers that'll latch around it, but because of this like shroud, that might be kind of difficult. So let's just see if I can get it off with normal tools and kind of go from there. And so this will be an exercise in doing it without the proper tools. So I have some of these plaster laths from that old building that I'm helping restore. And I might be able to actually get these into here and use them to wedge this thing closed or stopped. Now an impact wrench or impact driver will be, or impact drill will be best, but I don't have one with me. Oh, well, that's going. But that seemed to work fine. Lock washer and this piece. I'm going to set the washer and that piece aside. Repco, I guess that's who made that. Well, now we're going to put this back on to use as our pounding plate or whatever you would call it. So now what we need to do is we need to apply pressure to this, which would be best if I could hold it up, but I don't know if I can really do that. And then we're going to hit this. Okay, we got leverage there. Let me go get another screwdriver. So this one's pretty much wedged in there against the metal behind it. Look at that. Oh my God. It actually worked. Holy shit. I thought it was going to be here all day. Sometimes these things can be a real pain in the butt. So I'm actually pretty surprised about this. Look at that. Oh my God. So cool. I might need to rewind the magneto. I'm not sure. That is a very funky looking magneto. Has 3 points, or has 3 pieces on it, and that's where the coil is. And the magnet is inside here. Actually, there's a lot of gunk in here, so it was probably a good idea to take this apart anyway, so I can clean out all this sawdust. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start breaking these down into smaller videos, kind of like what I'm doing, to where this video will be about the flywheel removal. That way if someone ever searches for that, they'll find this video. And the next video can be about like the magneto problems and possibly even rewinding that magneto if that needs to be done. Huh. Oh, so that's what they meant by points. That is so cool. So I guess it charges the capacitor, and so the capacitor might actually be bad. In that case, I don't need to rewind it. I just need a new capacitor. And I have some capacitors for my old Model T buzz coils. So those might actually work on there because they're rated up to like 600 volts. Well, that is interesting. I'll go get my meter and We can do that in the next video, because then the next video will be a nice clean video all about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video about how to remove a flywheel without any proper tools. And thank you very much for watching. See ya.